If you use the 183A toll road in Cedar Park today, you will no longer have to stop and pay a toll. That stretch of roadway is going cashless. Our KVUE's Quita Culpepper is live at the 183A toll road with more on the story. Quita, good morning.
Hi there, Jason. And you know, many of us have had that experience where we've gone on a toll road, we've had to stop, pull out a couple of coins, put them in the collection thing and keep it moving. Well, not anymore, at least not on 183A. You can see the flashing sign is telling drivers that the cash lanes are closed on this tollway. All of the toll booths are actually closing, and cash customers will no longer have to stop. Instead, their license plate will be photographed and they'll be sent a bill in the mail. Officials with the Central Texas Regional Mobility Authority say 85% of the drivers who use 183A are already paying with a Texas tag, so it makes no sense for them to keep the cash booths open. Now, if you do pay with a Texas tag account, you'll save 25% off the pay-by-mail rate. And the change is meant to improve safety, save gas, and cut costs for operating the tolls. Tourists and drivers without a Texas tag are not required to prepay or register by mail. They just drive through the toll plaza and then wait for a toll bill to arrive in their mailbox. 183A will be the first cashless toll road in Texas, and right now the North Texas Tollway Authority is testing cashless toll collection on a portion of the Dallas North Tollway. It's already announced plans to convert all of its toll roads to cashless by the year 2010. Reporting live on the 183 toll road in Cedar Park, Quita Culpepper, KVUE News.
Quita, thank you.